Hello and welcome to Attorney Spotlight, where we'll be discussing topics from auto accidents to fighting the insurance companies. With me is Patrick Hale from Hale Law. Thank you so much for joining us today, Patrick.
Thank you for having me.
Do you need to have an attorney for a slip and fall case?
So it's very important to point out it's a great idea to hire an attorney, and here's why. One of the first things we do when we get a slip and fall or a trip and fall case is we send out a preservation letter to the company where you slipped and fell. And what that does is it legally requires them to preserve certain evidence. And one of the most important things is the actual video of the slip and fall. But there's a whole host of other things that we ask them to preserve, things that we know we need to ask for, and we make sure that we send them the documentation where we can enforce the fact that they need to save those. But there's also the theory of liability. How were you injured? We know how to figure out these things. A lot of times employees violate their own policies and procedures that they're supposed to do, and that leads to your injuries, and we know how to figure that out.
And how much time do you have to file one?
So you have 2 years here in the state of Florida to file a lawsuit on a slip and fall or trip and fall case.
Thank you so much, Patrick. If you'd like more information regarding personal injury law, visit halelaw.com, your accident attorneys.
And remember, tell the insurance companies you're going to Hale.